Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use an Apple gift card to buy V-Bucks. It's very easy guys. So what you'll need is either the Epic Game Store or you'll need Fortnite. You can actually get that on your Apple device. But before that, you need to first redeem this Apple gift card. So on your Apple device, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, Mac, whatever it is, you just go to the App Store, Apple Music or Apple TV app. Just click on your profile icon and then select redeem a gift card or redeem code and just enter that code from your Apple gift card and follow the on-screen instructions to add the balance to your Apple account. Now we go to purchasing the V-Bucks. So in the Epic Game Store, right? Go to the Epic Game Store website, log into your Epic Games account, navigate to the Fortnite section and select the V-Bucks pack you want to buy. Choose Apple ID as your payment method and just complete the purchase using your Apple account balance to pay. And if you are doing this on Fortnite on an Apple device, right, open the Fortnite app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, go to the in-game store and select the V-Bucks package you want to purchase and choose Apple ID as your payment method. And then just go ahead and complete the purchase using your Apple account balance. And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to find your solution, and I'll see you in the next one.